Hello friends, welcome to Gone Traders Hub channel. As we expected yesterday, market is reversed today and it made a wonderful rally around 150 points Nifty. Hope you guys taken the long and enjoyed the profit. Let's start our stock analysis for tomorrow, 23rd of December 2020. Let's start with the Nifty. Nifty today, it again taken the support from the square number 13225 and it is bounced back. And now it is just holding with the another square number 13456. What we can expect tomorrow above 13510, we can see 13572 and 13600, and worst case we can also see 13689. So for the short side, suppose if it is a breaking 13436 for 5 minutes, we can immediately see our magical reference price for tomorrow 13340 and 13225 for tomorrow. Then Bank Nifty, what we can expect tomorrow? Bank Nifty also taken a kind of W pattern and it's moved and it is just hovering around the square number 29584. What we can expect tomorrow? We mark above and below swing. So what we can expect tomorrow above today's high 29760. We can see 29929 and 30,000 level for tomorrow. Suppose if it is a breaking the lower side, 29 515, we can see 29 374 and 29 241 for tomorrow. And again, I want to repeat, as per the astrological uh, perspective, now 30,000 to 30,100 will act as a strong resistance. Let's watch whether it is taking the resistance or it is breaking the resistance. Uh, you have to observe that and then you can take the shot accordingly. Yeah, let's start with the stock perspective. I have a HDFC Bank for tomorrow and Bajaj Auto, Balkrishna Industry, Dabur, Divi's Lab, Hindustan Unilever, L&T, Tata Consumer, ACC, Escorts, Hero Motors, and TVS Motors for tomorrow. Tomorrow I selected the stocks. Let's go through one by one why we selected the stocks. Let's start with HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank today it filled the gap of the hourly chart and it is bounced back today. So what we can expect tomorrow above 1379 to we can immediately see 1382. Once it is sustained above, we can also see 1400 for tomorrow. Suppose it is breaking the lower side 1369 and sustained for 5 minutes, we can see 1363 and also we can see 1344 again tomorrow. Then Bajaj Auto, it is also had a very good bounce and it rallied approximately more than 100 points and it is just hovering around the square number. What we can expect tomorrow above 3285 for 5 minutes close, we can see 3306. I expect this as a strong resistance. Suppose it's sustained above this level, we can see 3336 and a 3364 level for tomorrow. The next stock is Balkrishna Industry. It is having a long consolidation today, and what we can expect tomorrow, it is just closed above the magical reference price today, and we can expect above 1562 for 5 minutes close. We can see 1568 and 1588 and 1600 for tomorrow. Suppose if it is a breaking the lower side of 1541, we can see 1528 and 1521 level. Today it is taken the support this square number and it's bounced. Suppose if it is breaking the lower side, we can see this level for tomorrow. Dabur. Dabur is just hovering around the square midpoint 506.5. So my expectation is tomorrow above 506.5 for 5 minutes close. We can see 512 and 516 to 517 level for tomorrow. Suppose it is breaking the lower side 501.9 for 5 minutes and also 500.5. We can see immediately 495 and 489 for tomorrow. Divi slab, it is also had a very volatile session and it is just closed near to the square number 3721. What we can expect tomorrow, above 3940 for 5 minutes close. We can see 3774 and 3782 level for tomorrow. Suppose if it is breaking the lower side 3702 for 5 minutes close, we can see 3682 and 3660 level for tomorrow, and 3650 also we can expect. So the guys, you have to note down these levels. What are the levels I'm saying? Even you can note down the levels which is showing in the screen. It will act as a support and resistance. So next talk is Hindustan Unilever. So since the market is so volatile, I choose only the uh, blue chip companies or high volume stocks only I'm choosing, and I'm giving both side because market is so volatile. So next stock we can see Hindustan Unilever is above 2333. We can see 2350 level, and suppose if sustain above, we may see 2374 level for tomorrow. Suppose if it is a breaking the square number 2304 and our magical reference price 2301 for tomorrow, and stay below for 5 minutes, we can see 2377 and 2356 for tomorrow. L&T, L&T, it is given a very good bounce and it is consolidating near to the midpoint 1260.5. What we can expect tomorrow, about 1262.25 for 5 minutes close, we can see 1280, 1296, and in worst case we can see 1316 level. Suppose if it is breaking the lower side 1255, we can see 1244, and the next square number is at 1225 level for. The next stock is Tata Consumer. Tata Consumer, as expected, yesterday also I told this will bounce and it given a wonderful move. One of the few stocks is moved at the first of the market rally is Tata Consumer today. We can expect that it may continue tomorrow. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. So now if you see Tata Consumer, it is just hovering around the square number 576. My expectation is above 580 for 5 minutes close. We can see 580.87 and 592 for tomorrow. Suppose if it is breaking the lower side 573 for 5 minutes close, then we can see 567.75 and 562 level for tomorrow. And ACC also it's given a long consolidation kind of 20 points, 30 points consolidation, and it is making some small swings. So we can expect, and also it is consolidating close just above the midpoint 1560.5, and also just above our magical reference price 1556.8. My expectation is above tomorrow above 1577 for 5 minutes close. We can see 1596 and 1600 for tomorrow. Suppose if it is breaking the lower side 1552, we can see 1537 and 1521 level for tomorrow. The next stock is Escorts. Escorts today did not participate in the market rally and it is just hovering around the square number 1225. My expectation is tomorrow above 1237 for 5 minutes close. We can see 1251 and 1260 and 1269. Suppose if it is breaking the lower side at 1216, then we can see 1198 and 1190 for tomorrow. Hero Motors. Hero Motor also just consolidating near the square number 3025, and it given a small bounce at the end of the session. So my expectation is tomorrow above 3060, we can see 3080 and 3110 for tomorrow. If it is breaking the lower side 3013, we can see 3000 and 2970 for tomorrow. Then TVS Motors. TVS Motor also have the long consolidation near the midpoint 462.5. Um, what we can expect tomorrow above 467.55 for 5 minutes close, we can see 472 and 483 for tomorrow, and another target we can keep 477. The if it is a breaking the lower side 461, we can see 455. We can mark this as a this swing low as a one target 454 and 450.65, and in worst case we can also see 441. It may take the support here. That's all, friends. Hope you guys enjoyed my video and marked all the levels. Um, Thanks for watching. If you like my stock analysis video and it is useful for your trading, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. If you made profits, please comment on the comment section. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.